fellow human beings. I believe each one of us is aspiring to become a successful person in our respective walk of life. We want to become a happy family member. That's what we are all thriving and striving through. But the major thing during the process we miss is we don't understand why we are doing it. The process itself is very critical. Let me tell you, this topic is very simple, but many simple things in our lives are complicated. Not because we have made them simple and we don't want to understand, or we want to understand. They are simple, they will remain simple, but we make them complicated. That's the reason they are complicated. Now, while even I'm delivering my speech, maybe it will make you feel incognizant, but it's important to understand when we are learning, why we are learning, and learning to learn is very important. I know it's going to be a bit of confusing for you because it's a tongue twister. Why we learn, and when we learn, we should know how to learn. That's what my topic is all about. First of all, the 3 points I'm going to share with you why we are trying to learn. Then I will share with you 3 understandings, the potentials you all have, which will help you understand, introspect, go deep inside to learn why you should learn and how to learn. The first point I would like to share with you is why. We all know we are aspiring to reach somewhere, but most of the times we don't ask this question to ourselves, why we are doing it. Is it because of the crowd? Because the entire crowd is running for that position and let's run for that position. So we don't really feel, or we don't have the reason why we are going there. We're just going as a stereotype. This question has to be asked every single day to us by ourselves. And second point is what exactly we are trying to achieve. Because we did not born by our own choice. We did not choose our parents. I have mentioned many a times. So what is that we are trying to achieve in our life? It could be a goal, it could be a success, monetary benefit, anything, you just take it. These 2 powerful questions, why and what, are very, very important. Wherever you are, whether you are a student or a professional, they have to be asked every single day. When you have asked these questions to yourself, then one more question arises. So what? That is also very important. I wanted to connect with our theme of the meeting. Imagine you have achieved whatever you are aspiring to. So what? Are you trying to leave a legacy? Are we trying to leave a legacy? Are we trying to show off people? Are we trying to satisfy ourselves? So that has to be defined and written somewhere, if not on wall, in our heart. That so what? Because there are billions of people have gone in their graves who thought, I'm the only one, no one can beat me. So these questions are very, very important. We are not going to live as a stereotype. That's not acceptable at all. So these 3 questions, why, what, and so what. Now let me just help you understand how you can learn how to learn. 3 understandings. Understanding your abilities. Can you learn everything in your life? When I was young, when I was in school, I aspired to do every single thing because I thought I can do it. I'm an able person. But when I tried to achieve it, I thought I'm failing every step I'm taking. So I understand, Amjad, that's not my ability. The ability is something to be understood very well. I'm not able to achieve that thing, but this thing. There is no problem that we can tell somebody that I'm not able to do that thing. I'm not engineer. I'm not an engineer. I cannot make an aircraft. I cannot be an agriculturer, but I am a good designer. Yes, I am proud of being a designer. This is my ability. This is what I have learned. I have spent my life more than 20 years. So I can proudly tell people, this is what I am expert at. This is my ability. This is my reason. That's the reason. So this is what I have understood my abilities. Then I understood how to learn it. And the second understanding is existence. I would like to connect with you the same thing. Did you choose your existence? No. This is where this point comes in. How we can learn how to learn. We all came from a same process. Somebody reached to the pinnacle of the success and we name them during our speeches. But some people, they have no presence at all. They were not known outside their village at all. They came and they gone. But some people, they have right up there. They are going to live forever in books, in speeches, in our hearts, because of their deeds, what they have done to this world. The third point is understanding your will. If there is a will, there is a way. We all know, it's very common statement. We have all heard in books, in speeches. Now, if you like to learn something, it's important to go inside the process how to learn it. And that will not happen if we don't have a will. For example, I'm trying to inspire people. This is one of my speeches as well. I have delivered some time back. It was recorded. If I'm trying to inspire somebody to move, but the person doesn't have that position or that heart in that little room in their heart, will my motivation work? Not at all. Impossible. Motivation is all around, but you have to have something inside to receive it. Your chunk, that is will. So these are the things which are very important to understand: our abilities, existence and will. Then we will be able to learn better, because learning for no reason will go into vain. For example, we are coming all here in Toastmasters. If we don't have a focus, we don't know why we are learning, it's useless. But we need to learn. How to learn is more important. To understand first your existence, abilities and will. That will help you achieve your first three goals: what, why and so what. End of the day, it's just a simple circle. We came in and we are going to go out. Trust me, this is how life is all about. But we are going to be remembered only with one condition: if we are living for other people, if our purpose is aligned with nature's purpose. Let me reiterate, we did not choose our existence, but we can choose to live hereafter only if we follow the purpose of nature, which is giving back, recycling, reproducing. Everything on this planet is reproducing. Trees, everything. For example, tree is one of the examples. They are reproducing. They have never eaten their own fruit. Whatever you're going to plant today, whatever you're going to sow today, somebody else will be enjoying. It's totally up to us whether we are greedy to live for ourselves or living for other people to live forever. So the three understanding is: one is abilities, second one is existence, third one is will. to achieve your why, what, and so what. So these are, honestly speaking, why, what, so what are something to introspect, separate yourself from the world, then understand the reality of your life, the village you are in, the city you are in, the circumstances you are surrounded by. Then you will understand where are you going to reach in your life. Ladies and gentlemen, hope you have understood this one, and I'm also learning. I'm a student. When I want to learn more, I try to teach. Ladies and gentlemen, try to understand how to learn, how to learn.